Transformations is a review from yesterday, but I would like you to watch this.
How's the collage coming?
Well, I've got all the pictures cut into cool shapes, but I think I need a little bit of your artistic expertise to help me move them around the way I want.
Okay. What do you want to do with them?
You know, flip them over, turn them around, slide them into different places, that sort of thing.
Oh, you mean transformations.
Transformations? But won't those completely change everything, like size and shape and stuff?
Nope. A transformation is a mathematical movement. It's just a change in position.
Oh.
You can transform a shape in 3 different ways. By translation, reflection, or rotation.
In that case, a few transformations sound like exactly what this collage needs.
Okay, let's start with an easy one, a rotation.
I know what that is. A rotation is just like a spin, right?
Pretty much. A rotation is a transformation that turns a figure around a given point. So, yeah, it's a spin.
Well, let's give this star pick a spin and rotate it around.
All right. You can rotate something up to 360 degrees. That's a full rotation, all the way around.
Well, I don't want to turn it all the way around.
Right. So, how about halfway, 180 degrees?
And that's upside down. How about 45 degrees? Perfect. Let's do a different one now. How about a reflection? That's like a mirror image?
Exactly. A reflection is a transformation that flips a figure over a given line.
All right. How about that heart pick? That'd look cool reflected.
You got it. Let's flip it right over that line.
Yeah, that looks great, Sam.
Sure does. You know, you can reflect an image in any direction you want. You just have to pick a different line on the grid.
Oh, cool. I think I like that reflection best.
Me too, Zoe. That looks really good. Looks like you're almost done.
Almost. But wait, wasn't there one more kind of transformation?
Uh-huh. A translation.
Yeah, that's it. Care to translate the meaning for me?
No problem. A translation is a transformation that slides a figure to a new position in a given direction.
So a translation is just a slide? No flip, no turn? There's gotta be more to it than that.
Nope, it's just a simple slide. The word translate actually means carried across in Latin.
That's pretty cool. Let's translate this picture over here. Oh, and this one. Let's slide it up here, and we can translate this pic down here. What do you think?
I think you're getting a little carried away with translations.
Oops. Okay, I think I'm done. That was pretty easy. Using transformations, I changed the positions of my pictures, but not the shapes. There are 3 different types of transformations, and I used all 3. Rotation, to rotate that star pick and turn it around a given point. Reflection, to flip that heart pick over a line and create a mirror image. And a few translations here and there to slide the pics a given distance in a given direction across the collage. A little transformation know-how and ta-da!
Ta-da is right. You transformed that collage into quite the masterpiece.
Tonight's lesson, 19-4, we will be talking about congruence. Congruent figures. If 2 figures have the same shape and size, they're called congruent. Congruent figures come in especially handy when it is important that figures match, such as wheels on a car.
Sam's putting a roof on the treehouse he made for his little brothers. The shape is a little tricky. To make matters even worse, he has to create it twice, one for each side. To make sure his treehouse is stable, he needs to make sure both pieces are exactly the same, or congruent. Let's help Sam make sure these pieces are congruent, step by step. Are these figures congruent? Congruent figures are the exact same shape and the exact same size. To find out if 2 figures are congruent, first ask yourself, are they the same shape? Yeah, they are both the same shape. Even though one is upside down, we can see that they are both trapezoids. Then ask, are the sides all the same size? This part is a little trickier. There are a few different ways Sam can figure out if these shapes are the same size. One way would be to use a ruler to measure each of the sides. The other way would be to trace one of the shapes, measures the same as the other angles. They all check out. Shape is the same, size is the same, angles are exactly the same. Looks like Sam's brothers are gonna have one solid treehouse.
For your notes tonight, I would like you to write 9-4 at the top of your notebook. Under your notes, I would like you to fill in what is in that spiral notebook on the bottom left-hand side of the page. So it will say the definition of congruent figures. Same shape, same size, corresponding angles are equal. Those will be your notes for tonight. Have a great one.